What you're going to want to do if you want to play a trainer or bots, you can see right here when you actually logs onto the game. The very first way of the ways I'm going to show you is you click on the 3 lines in the top right hand corner under your gyms. And you can basically click on this training camp option where you can basically trade bots and trainers when you click on OK. And you can see right here, you can always leave the match if you do not want to play the trainer. Like if it is way too easier, but basically they'll try to match them with your current skill level. You can see right here. And basically you can play this as a normal game if you would like, or you can just mess around and do whatever you want. But the second thing you can actually do is you can actually leave this match right here, just clicking on X and OK. And if you hop into like a normal game, just a normal game on ladder Clash Royale, you can actually see there's actually a ton of bots in this ladder. So one way to know if it is a bot is when you click on battle, and if they start their game by saying good luck and in the game by saying well played and display no emotes or maybe just 1 or 2 emotes, that means they're a bot. I've played so many games recently. I've just been able to see the patterns. It says luck at 252 or about 250, so 10 seconds into the match. And then they say good luck to start and well played to end. So yeah, that's really how you know if you're playing bots. But the easiest way is 3 lines and then click on training camp like so.